Hey Chargers, this is Miss Faraya. I've gotten a couple of emails over the last week confused about how to upload assignments using Teams. Some of you guys are just emailing me pictures, and I just wanted to do a quick overview of how you can submit stuff into actual assignments that have been posted into Teams. So, Ms. Zari was kind enough to show me an assignment that she has posted for her science classes. So, the way that you access assignments in whatever your team is up here on the top, the Assignments tab. I'm going to click on that. And she has two things that are assigned. I'm going to click on this one. It was due today, and your teacher should be posting like what the assignment is, what the expectations are. But down here at the bottom, there's a place where you can add your work. And there are a couple of different options for where you can add your work from. If you're using your Office 365 account, these, for example, are the files that I have, and they're organized into different folders for different types of things. So I have some like Word documents, I've got some PowerPoint presentations, some different assignment things here. If you're writing your assignments in Office 365, this is where you can get where your like projects are, where your written stuff is. If you need to upload something that is on your computer, so maybe you're using your word processor on your computer, or maybe you're downloading pictures onto your computer, you're going to use this one down here at the bottom that says upload from this device. And this is going to tell you what you have access to on your computer. So the place that I tend to store stuff that I need to upload quickly, at least for me, is either on my desktop or in my downloads. So desktop, not much there. I actually did a bunch of recycling. But this is an image I took for an example in mixed media. And if I click on this one, it's a blind contour drawing. This is the image that I want to upload and include for this assignment. So if I was in mixed media, this is how I would upload it. I had that picture on my desktop. I'm going to click done. And if you have more than one thing to add, you're just going to click the add work button again. So maybe, for example, like sculpture classes, you've got a sketch page that you need to upload and photographs of your final work. You can upload again and find stuff from those places. Maybe it's your desktop, maybe it's your download. One thing I have found that makes it easy for me, at least, is I have an iPhone, and pulling in and downloading pictures from iCloud has been really helpful for me. So I don't have to worry about finding that lightning cable to download pictures from my phone. It just takes a little bit longer. So I've been accessing iCloud to download my photos that I've been taking for class and examples. Once you have all of the parts put up, you're going to click in the Turn In button, and that's all you have. If you realize that you want to make some adjustments, if you need to change stuff, you can always undo your Turn In and add more stuff. You can click on the documents that you've submitted, you can edit them, and you can try again. Just make sure if you make any changes to it that you're clicking that Turn In button again. And that's how you can submit work to Microsoft Teams. Email if you have any questions.